First law of thermodynamics. The amount of heat energy supplied to the system is converted into internal energy of the system or converted into the mechanical work, or the amount of heat energy which is supplied to the system is converted into internal energy of the system or mechanical energy. Mathematical form. The change in internal energy of a system is equal to the heat added to the system minus the work done by the system. AU equals Q minus W. Q is positive when the system absorbs heat. For example, when the system is placed on the source, and it's negative when the system rejects heat when the system is placed on the sink. U is positive when the internal energy of the system is increased and is negative when internal energy of the system decreases. W is positive when work is done by the system, when the system expands or volume of the system increase, and is negative when work is done on the system, when system compresses or volume of the system decreases. When definition emphasizes that energy is not something that can be destroyed or created. It is important to understand what that really means. It would be incorrect to say that the purpose of an experiment would be to make energy as that would involve an effort to create something that cannot be created. Instead, energy is constantly being transformed so that it can be used. For example, solar panels don't create solar energy. They harness energy from the sun and transform it into another type of energy, and that is called electricity. This is the example of conservation of energy involving people. Energy can be transferred between people or from people to objects. These examples illustrate the law of conservation of energy. Kelly ran across the room and bumped it into her brother, pushing him to the floor. The kinetic energy she possessed because of her movement was transferred to her brother, causing him to move. Example of object to object conservation of energy. When two objects collide with each other, energy will transfer between the two objects. When a moving car hits a parked car and causes the parked car to move, mechanical energy is transferred from the moving car to the parked car. Claire threw a ball that hit her mother's vase, knocking it over. Energy was transferred from the moving ball to the stationary vase, causing the vase to move.